Hello, testing. Hello, 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 hello. I believe we are live. Good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday morning. The market is open for business. Market is open for business. Looks like we're going to make a move higher. Looks like we're making a move higher here this morning. We are live. Happy Tuesday morning, everybody. Timbo Trader is in the house. Good morning. Yes, lots and lots and lots of issues with the internet this morning. The interwebs. The interwebs are in disarray. Something to do with Cloudflare. Don't ask me what Cloudflare is, but Apex is the website, Take Profit Trader. There's a whole bunch of them that are down. So I guess we wait. I guess we wait. Apex, of course, you can't buy any Apex accounts right now, but Apex with a pretty sick deal that came out last night. 80% off and $40 activation fees. That's so far now the best deal that Apex has run. Are you ready to see NQ below 600s? I'm ready. By the way, so look at this. Okay, so the overnight session was kind of going sideways. I actually, on the trade day evals, I traded this move right here, and then I traded this right here on the downside. So I guess I should have copy traded all my other funded accounts, but I didn't. I only traded the evals in the overnight. Fred Yeager, Almighty, good morning. Jack Wiley, Tech 111, good morning. Dean Bishop is in the house. Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Let's go. Green across all my funded pre-market. Let's go, Black Coffee. Touchdown, good morning. Costy, Jake Dell, Ace Undercover, Jim JB, Best Guess Trading, Rafiro, good morning. I am Bruce Lee, Niles, Sam Owen, Daniels, Dove Gordon, M. Susan, good morning. RXHX, DJOS, Sean Trader, Arrow Squad, good morning. Trusty Trand, Ian Connor in the building. The Hoodie Trader, Dabda, good morning, Cly. Timely Bible Verse, good morning to you. His Royal Trades, Grant Thompson Trades. I like doing my good mornings every time. I love doing that. Good morning, Tanush. Frank Mortimer, update content. Sam Laker, Mike. Abraham, Micro Player, Steven Schaefer. All right, market. Whoa, what happened just now? Gee, what happened? Good grief. What is Spirit-Led Trader? Good morning. What in the world was that rip? Oh, man. That was wild. Absolutely wild. Something is going on here, right? Of course, I can't even get this financial juice work. Hey, financial juice actually works. Is there any news? China carrier completes first training. Hey, Oh, I think the internet is back up. Man, something is going on. I'm trying to. Is there what am I missing? Am I copy trading all 44 at once, Jake Wynn? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm not, yeah, I'm not touching this madness. Same. This is wild. I'm trying to figure out, like, I have no idea what's going on here, but these are some insane volatile moves. Wow. Rhythmic with issues, I see. Wait, Tyler Page, good to see you, man. Welcome back. Ken, good morning. Michael, yeah, we're just going to be patient today. Nothing new here. We're just, the plan today is the same as every day. We wait for our setups, and that is it. We just do our job. That's all we need to do today. We don't need to try to predict the market. We just need to do our job. Enter enter setup, manage risk, and the rest is, you know, it is what it is. Forex Factory shows they released unemployment claims at 310, but that shouldn't. What? Hey, update content. Thank you for reminding me about the copy trader. Yes, I am good to go. I double checked. I'll double check it again. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you remembering. I mean, NQ gold. I mean, gold here. What's really weird is gold is not that volatile. Gold is pretty calm, but for some reason, NQ's going all over the place. All over the place here. We had a bounce from the 670s to the 830s in literally 30 seconds. Now we're just going sideways, it feels like. It's just crazy how volatile, like, it's very whippy. Like, just, you can tell there's something brewing, or I don't know. Just very crazy right now. Let's see what happens. We just gonna be chilling. Hey, golf guy Mike, good to see you. Was Rhythmic delayed for the first 5? I don't know. You caught some of the long? Let's go, golf guy Mike. Let's go. Hey, Ronnie, good morning from the UK. Good morning. Welcome to the Nutty Bar Show. All right, market. Looks like we're kind of wanting to go back down. I don't know. Man, I am not interested in trading. Look at this. Like, we are wicking like from the 710s to the 760s to like, what is this? What is this, folks? And I don't see any I don't see any news. I guess it's just the volatility. We got to deal with it. I feel like this is going to drop. This looks heavy. She wants to go lower. See if we make new lows here. Are we going to make new lows? Yeah, market making new lows here. All right, market making new lows. I feel like we're definitely going to get a short setup here today before a long setup. So we just got to be patient. I don't want to trade with this kind of volatility, to be honest. Hey, John. Good morning, John. Jim G. Oh, really, Timbo? So you're seeing some issues? Nasty leg was Timbo. Was that was on rhythmic? You're saying it's not unusual when we have this kind of volatility for there to be some lag. Yeah, just be careful, maybe, guys. So take profit trader is really lagging. Okay. Hey, how'd the golf round go yesterday, golf guy Mike? It was okay. I mean, I actually think I'm gonna go get lessons. Everything about my game is fine. Like my irons, like my mid irons are great. My chipping was actually really good yesterday. My putting was great. I actually ended up shooting 9 over. But my driving is just so bad. I actually yesterday Yesterday I actually ended up I only hit driver on 4 holes. It's that bad. I only hit driver on 4 of the 18 holes, and of those 4 holes that I did hit driver, 3 of them were terrible. But I ended up shooting 9 over. I mean, mainly thanks to my chipping and my putting. My chipping and putting were phenomenal yesterday. I had 2 lip outs on chips. My chipping was great. Man, the course that I played at yesterday was just phenomenal. Actually, I got to show you guys a picture. This is where I played yesterday, man. I gotta say, man, it was beautiful. The greens were just the greens were in great shape, really fast but true, and it was just a beautiful course, beautiful course. But man, my driving, I seriously need help. I need help with my driving. It's just that simple. It is Calusa Country Club in Lakewood Ranch. So Calusa Country Club in Lakewood Ranch is where I played at yesterday. Hit the sell button when it showed the top of the opening range and you got filled at the bottom. No way, John. That's how John, no way. Don't trade, guys, if the lag is that bad. John, was that with Rhythmic or Trade of 8? Man, look at this. Now we're right back down. Yeah, I'm not trading this kind of volatility. We're chilling. I can help just take the driver out of the bag. Honestly, Golf Guy Mike, if I would not have hit driver one time, I would have shot better. Because of the 4 times I used driver, 3 times it was really bad. Twice it went out of bounds. So I literally had to take 2 penalty shots because of my drive. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I just hate it. It's just, yeah, it was, I just so frustrating when I can't hit my driver. And the thing is, like the next day I'll come out and I'll just stripe my driver, no problem. But I don't know I don't know what I did right or what I'm doing wrong. And I'm seriously thinking about getting a coaching session for my driver and just I need somebody that knows what they're looking for. Look at my swing. And I need some swing thoughts that I need, that I need to work on or just, hey, be, I don't know what I need to be honest, but it ain't working. I know that much. It ain't working the way we're doing it. What is it, John? Let me look, John. What? Country clubs and cemeteries, waste of real estate. Oh, John. That's too funny. Wow, look at this. We continue to make new lows. We're about to break down below the 600s. Hmm. I think our website, I think the internet outages are officially over, I think. All right, we swept the 600s. We did sweep the 600s. Now, are we going to see this thing move or not? Is it going to rip to the upside now or not? Wow, look at this. Down we go, continuing lower. Yep, we are just ripping this thing. I mean, the shorts are looking fire. So let's be patient. How low can she go? Down to the 580s. We just gotta wait. Definitely looking like the shorts are gonna get a setup. But you never know with NQ. NQ is just, it's just, you never know. We all know NQ could rip 100 points up right here. That's NQ for you. I bought Lucid and it's telling me real-time market data required. What should I do? Quick Gaming, you probably need to, did you make sure you signed into Tradeovate? Did you sign into Tradeovate, the website? Make sure you sign the agreement. If you did that, then reach out to their support. They'll fix it. And that's why we love it. Financial Juice reporting Cloudflare back to normal. Yeah, Take Profit Trader was working. I think Apex was working. It looks like things are back and working, I think. All right, market continuing lower. Now I just need a pullback. Give me a nice pullback here. We need this market to slow down a little bit. Just need a nice little rip here. Get back up into this like maybe 660 area. Need the market to slow down a little bit so these EMAs can catch up. Oh, really? Is Apex still down? Let me see. Yeah, I think, I don't know if it's if things are actually back up or not. Some of it is. Looks like Twitter is up. All right, down we go. 560s. Crazy. Man, what a crazy sell off here. Man, this thing just going straight down, no opportunities at all. Oh, we might. I'm going to say it again. I know I say this every single day, but I'm going to say it again. It feels like I'm not getting a setup today. It feels like I'm not going to get a setup. Market is going one direction only. No pullbacks allowed. You're killing me, man. What's gold doing? All right, gold kind of pulled back, I guess, a little bit. Ask him about the Brown. Who are the Browns? I no longer relate to the Brown. Hey, Captain Crunch, good morning. You thought you hadn't paid your internet bill. Oh, man. I had the same issue yesterday with Lucid. Quick Gaming reach out support. Oh. Huh. All right, market trying to get a rip back up. Well, yeah, Apex, like trading Apex is working fine. It's their website that was having issues. Let's talk football. No more golf. The Browns. We do not talk about the Browns. All right, I want to see this the 60-minute chart on Nvidia, or not Nvidia, on look at this. So I mean, we have the lows down here, the 24-200s. This is the 1 hour chart. We got some support here at the 420s. But this is, I don't know, man. It's just almost no bounce, nothing. It's just going straight down. And there we go, 530s. All right, 520s about to be tested. What was that? You see that little dip down to the 500s? What? That was crazy. We had a little, I mean, that thing swept down to the 500s. That's 20 points that it swept. Like it was a wick, just a wick down and boom. That was sweeping the stops down there, the 500s. That was crazy. Not okay, 10 o'clock as well now. The Cowboys looked great against a 2-7 team last night. Yeah, I know, Best Guess Trading. I know. It sounds crazy, but could get there. Kevin G, eval question. Can I hit profit target on day 3 and then just open close? Yes, you can, Kevin G. Yes, you can. Have faith, bro. In Buffalo and for 75% of my life, the Bills were trash. I hear you, M. Brown. But I don't know. Look at this dump now. Down through the 500. I mean, this is insane. This makes me tired. I just don't like this kind of price action. Come on, give me something. Seriously feels like we're not gonna get a setup. I'm not kidding. Today, we might actually never touch the 21 EMAs. I'm convinced. I mean, this is... I'm so over it. Ah! I mean, the 420s have got to be... 420s have got to be the next target. I'm this is check the 1 hour. Yes, that's what I was just doing. The 1 hour 420s. I mean, if the 400s don't hold, I mean, the next is the 200s, right? 200s is the next level. Actually insane. I mean, we're 400 points from the opening high. 400-point drop from that opening high. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Is gold going there too? Yeah, I see gold trying to now roll over. The daily chart on NQ is looking not so healthy. We might get a retest. I mean, the 420s, if this doesn't hold, we probably will get a retest of the 200s. I would think. Unbelievable. This thing is just massive sell-off. I mean, I'm not sure how we're ever going to get a setup. Like, how are we ever getting a setup here? It's literally 200, 300 points away. Oh well. I guess we got to follow our rules, fellas. This is the FOMO. The FOMO can be, just be careful with FOMO today. Hey, good morning, day one, Jay. You bought the dips in gold, John? Nice. I'm trying to decide if I should give up on the 150K take profit trader accounts. Yeah, Captain Crunch, I feel like the 25Ks can be a really good starting point. I like how Brooks says, just close your eyes and short. I know, right? You know, as soon as, I mean, we just have to be patient. I mean, I know I say this a lot, but it's true. We just have to be patient. Hey, good morning, Matthew. DC fan for life. Good morning. The 24,400 area starts. Yeah, I mean, okay, we're getting our first bounce. This is the first bounce we're getting from the 440s. We did not test the 420s. The low was, what are the 429? All right. See, like, this is where you can just get killed. Is that we're almost at a 100-point bounce now. Unbelievable. Guys, I'm not joking. If this market V-shape reverses right here, I'm going to lose my mind. I'm going to lose my mind. It's 1-to-1 the fun stage, either 15. Exactly, Captain Crunch. That's kind of the benefits of it. Exactly, John. That's exactly true. With you try so hard, you pass the eval, the test account, then you almost need to take a breather before you jump into the funded account. Look at this. Man, this is exactly what I was scared of. I mean, that's a over 100-point move. 120 points just straight up now. Dude, if we actually now if we actually now rip straight back up, I'm going to lose it. But we could. I actually could just go right back up now. Oh, insane. Let's see. We might just do the V-shaped reversal move. Back up. Wouldn't be shocked. Wouldn't be the first time. We're testing the 1 minute, the 21 EMA on the 1 minute is what we're testing now. I'm not even sure I want to take a trade right now with this volatility. Almost need to just take one micro. Yep, straight back up, folks. Oh. All right, maybe we dump here now again. See, if we dump again, I feel like I'm even further away from a setup. Size down today, exactly, Niles. I mean, I feel like we need, I mean, trading one micro is like, look at this. Like, look at how my ATM looks. My ATM looks like it's the wrong size because of how crazy volatile this is. And down we go. We tested the 9 EMA, which basically the 1 minute 21 EMA, but I don't take any trades off of that. Unfortunately. This is insane. I'm trading one MNQ on personal, even that swings hundreds in the market. Exactly, Christopher, it does. Hey, let's go, Marcos. That's awesome. Love to hear it. Understand 100%. That's my thought process. Yeah. All right, let's see if we make new lows here. Unreal. If it holds, this would be a mini double bottom. It is kind of ace undercover. I mean, we didn't technically get to the 420s, but this would still be like, if we look at the 1 hour chart, like this, this would be a triple bottom from what was that, October 12th? And then again on October 17th, and now today. So there's a chance that this, I don't know, this is an interesting level that we got to pay attention. Oh, wow, look at that. Rip right back up. See, now I even have a harder decision to make. How do we play this? This is a tough one. Here's what's going through my mind. So if we come back, if we test the 21 EMA now on the 2 minute, if we test this, reject, and it gives me an entry. The problem is we didn't make a new low right here. That's the problem. And when NQ do it, I don't know. I don't know if I feel comfortable taking a short now. It's going to depend a lot. A lot of that is going to depend on my risk. Where my stop needs to be. I don't know, man. If we rip this thing right back up to like back above like the 720s, I don't know. Oh. Yeah, John. That's the thing. Having the stomach to, like, I know it sounds easy, but going short when we're doing this, I mean, it sounds like the easy thing to do, but when you have 100-point rips or bounces, it makes you be a little bit more cautious. All right, we go right back down. Now, if we make new lows, we can enter if we get a pullback. See if we get, maybe we, let's see if we make new lows right here. Take out those 420s. All right, let's see. Let's see. Do we make new lows? Do we make new lows? Yeah, you have to be willing to have the balls of steel. It requires some serious commitment, and you got to be willing to sit through some drawdown. I struggle with that. I just don't do well. I need a little more. I don't know. Anytime that I chase a move like this, we'll get 100-point rip back up. That's just how it goes. Talk to an old friend about that was different when we had a real 250K backing us with these props. It's exactly, John. That is very true. Like, you just can't, I mean, unless you're maybe trading one micro, even then, like, you just can't afford to sit through 100+ points of drawdown. It's insane. I have started using Bookmap lately. Okay, I used to use Bookmap there for a little bit and I stopped. I don't know. I think Bookmap's fine. I think Bookmap can be great for me. For me, it made me a little bit too biased and I had a little bit of trouble with it where I would see a lot of orders sitting somewhere and all of a sudden I'd just get very into my mind about it and I'd be like, yep, market's going in that direction, and then I get too biased based off of it. So I stopped using it for that. But we need a exactly, John. We need a micro contract. We actually might be getting to that point. I can't show. Yeah, Captain Crunch. Exactly. It's just so much harder. I mean, it seems to be the safer play to wait and try to catch the bounce, but that is equally as dangerous. Like, it might do a little flick higher and it's like, oh, now we're going to rip back up. So you quickly go long trying to catch the bottom, and then it does one of these little fake wicks higher, and before you can even blink, it's down and made new lows and we're 40 points, you know, ripping lower. That's the problem. It's not that easy to, it's not that easy making trading some of this volatile market. It requires some gonads. Look at that. We're getting choppy down here. I need to make a decision, fellas. I feel like we're going to be getting a setup here soon. I mean, I feel like if we get a setup short, I think we take it. I mean, it's going to be risky. The only thing that I don't like is the fact that we did not make new lows. I don't like that, but we are obviously in a downtrend still. We're definitely going lower. Like, we're in a downtrend. We're below the VWAP. A lot of it is going to depend on where my stop loss needs to be. Part of me, I just hope we rip straight back up here and I don't even have to make a decision. Take the decision from me, market. Don't even let me make a decision. Wow, look at that. We might not have to make a decision according to this. If we have an entry all the way up here, I'm not taking it. I feel like that's kind of breaking the trend. But can you guys imagine if we go right back up through the 700s? I mean, it's doable. It is definitely possible. It's crazy. I just got 62 points on 2 micros. Let's go, Ace Undercover. Yep, let's go. Today are those days. Today are the kind of days where you can blow up your account without much effort. Like, if you just get in the one wrong move and hold a little bit too long, stay in a bad trade for just a little bit too long, you can blow up accounts very, very quickly and very easily. So it's always best. There's nothing wrong with not taking a trade. There's nothing wrong with just not taking a trade or size way down. It's not worth going through that anguish. It is the double-edged sword of trading, because when you get it right, it's like, oh, you can grab 50 points from the market so quickly, and then it gets a little bit intoxicating, and you think you can just continue to do that. But there's the flip side of it, is you can be 50 points in drawdown in literally 5 seconds. So you got to be willing. You know, there's pros and cons to it. Look at this. Insanity. Unbelievable. I mean, we're right back up to the 600s. Unbelievable. If I'm still taking one trade a day, Sam, I'm not technically doing one trade a day. The 30 trade challenge wasn't necessarily one trade a day. It's just I only take one specific setup. That's it. That's the challenge. And yes, I'm still doing that. Trying to be patient. We're only taking our setup. That's it. See, now, technically, we would have a setup here. Technically, I'm not taking it, though. We might, I mean, this thing might now dump. If we make new lows, I'll reconsider, but for now, I'm just going to be patient. Just a little bit too scared that this is turning into a V-shaped reversal move here. It's a tempting area to short right here. It's tempting, but I'm not doing it. I would have gained so much weight, stress eating under that kind of pressure. Yeah. Block the noise. Hey, you're up 300 on 2 accounts. Block the noise. That's awesome. Watch to see if we take about 5 attempts on getting higher than that candle. Yeah, see, if we go right back up through this now, I mean, honestly, there's a chance we could get a long setup if we rip back above the VWAP. I mean, there's a chance. See, we squeezed. We need to get back above the 600s. If we get above the 600s, then look out, man. Right now, it's starting to feel like this wants to rip back. You guys are long. You're long off the 540s. Okay, good luck. Okay, there's the break at 600. I think this continues to rip. At least I think we test maybe the 15-minute opening range low up here at the 645s. Now we need to actually close above the 600s. I hope it starts pointing north. Bored of losing my long-term portfolio every day. Oh, I see, Christopher. Wow, look at that. Now we're right back down. See now, ugh. I don't know. I don't know. That's interesting. We kind of faked the move above the 600s. Now right back down. I'm still not taking shorts here. I just don't like this. I'm not interested. I'm fine with waiting until we make new lows. Let's make new lows, get down below the 420s, and then hopefully just start a little bit more of a calmer move than this crazy volatility. We might have to wait. We might have to wait today till the afternoon session to get a good entry, get a good setup. Eight's undercover, left 50 on the table. I know. All right. Here we go. Let's see. Is it gonna keep is it gonna keep dumping here or not? We really do need. We either need this to make new lows or rip back above the 600s and keep going. Great review. I know why the market moves like it does now. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh, this is ugly. You guys like my stress ball? I have a stress ball now. Nice. Need a stress ball to keep my heart rate. Just best to walk away for 30 minutes and come back sometimes. Where did I get it? I'm not even sure. My wife got me this stress ball. I don't know what that means, but where is the pink stress dumbbell? John, that's back in Ohio. It's back in Ohio. By the way, next week, on Friday, I think I'm not sure I told you guys yet, but Friday, oh wow, look at that. Down we go. Below the 30s. Interesting. Man, this is starting to get choppy, ugly chop fest here. Wow, look at that. That was a trap. That was a short trap right there on the 30. Right back up. Hey, Jose. How we doing, Jose? Yeah, we're green, but it's only on the evals, so I'm still happy though. These evals, we only need $1,100 more dollars, and this is day number 3, so we need 2 more traded days. And I'm just gonna try to get, I don't know, $500 each day, something like that. It starts to become boring. Don't say that. Don't say that. What trade did I take on the evals, David Knight? I took right here. So this right here I took this trade, and then this was a little bit of an iffy trade, which is why I only took it on the evals. We didn't technically touch the EMA, but it was close, so I took it. I took this trade on the evals, and I hit my target somewhere down here, the 790s. Wow, look at that. Right back down. She dumping. Now going lower. Man, this is some wild price action. Hmm. Hey, Diego, buying 20 Apex accounts with my code. Will you help me receive my payout when I get 500K and they refuse to pay? Yes, Diego, I definitely will. You can ask some, there are some people in chat that I have helped secure some pretty decent sized payouts. If they had any issues, I will help as much as I can. I can assure you of that. But hey, good luck. Good luck, Diego. Who's green today? I mean, I am kind of green, I guess, but not really. All right, right back down to the 480s. Lanto is probably green. Yeah, I'm sure Lanto's made millions. Honestly, I wouldn't be shocked. 400-point range and I can't trade today. Matt, trust me. Wait, are you saying you can't trade because you can't trade, or like it's not going well? That kind of I can't trade. Nutty looks bored. I'm not bored. I'm starting to second guess that maybe I should have just taken that short and held on for dear life. But here's the problem. I mean, I'm totally okay not taking that. Here is where my entry would have been. This is only on. So here's where my entry would have been, which means my stop would have had to be a 200. Basically, if I hit a loss, I'd be done for the day. I just don't like, even though obviously hindsight is 2020, and yes, it would have worked. But man, this is not easy to trade. This is not easy to trade. This is a lot of very jumpy, wicky price action here. Let's see. Are we going to rip right back up now? Wouldn't be shocked. Or we make new lows. I just did it again. I said we either go up or down. I just did it again. $10-point scalps pay the bills. Yeah, Matt. Honestly, I remember at one point when I had that, when I was doing, I had an ATM that was 22 ticks take profit. And sometimes when the market was this volatile, just taking and scalping 22 ticks at a time, I mean, it seemed to work pretty well until you just enter and it immediately goes against you. Then you would just get absolutely wrecked. Matt, that is true. The market is also going to the right. That is, I've never heard of that before, but you're so true. That is so right. The market is going to the right. Now that's a prediction we can stick to. I wish there was somehow a way we could make money by predicting the market will continue to go to the right. Doesn't matter what direction, it just goes to the right. Oh, but we know it ain't that easy. Oh, man. Man, what are we doing, market? Can we get some kind of, I mean, feel like as long as we don't make new lows, then I just probably need to just not trade. As long as we're not making new lows, we just need to wait. But DCA requires take profit to be moved to 5 point. Wait, DCA requires take profit to be moved to 5 points or break even. Oh, I see. Your new ATM is 10-point take profit, 40-point stop loss, DCA at -20 and -30. 1 micro, no more than 3 max. I don't hate that, Matty Matt. I don't hate that. Wow, look at that. See it? Now we just rip straight back up. Insane. I am so totally okay. So okay and content with the decision to just be patient. This is a very, very volatile market right now. Starting to put in a range. Oh, true, because I'm getting crushed in my sim account, but I have to learn to gain patience. Yeah, if you just be patient today. That's honestly kind of the, unless you caught this big sell-off right here, then being patient is probably the way to go today. Once again, rejecting off the 2-minute 21, but we can't seem to make new lows. The 420, 440s so far are holding. You know what I need? I know what I need. Right now, I have a serious craving for a chocolate chip cookie. I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Mmm, that cookie. Oh, so delicious. Hey, Mr. Wall Street is here. Mr. Wall Street is here. Good to see you, Wall Street. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, this cookie is, oh, so good. Yeah, Ben and Rose have a new song. Maybe today we can listen to it. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, man, what are we doing, market? I don't know. It's kind of crazy that we haven't made new lows, to be honest. I feel like, come on, you got to make new lows, right? I want this to make new lows and then retest the 21 EMA on the 2-minute and then give me a good setup. We will take it. But right now, as long as we don't make new lows, I'm not taking a trade. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Hey, let's go, David Knight. My patience is remarkable, Frank Mortimer. I'm trying, but it's hard. It's not easy. I can already tell if I end stream, today's one of those days I have to use my lockout button. I gotta lock myself out on all my accounts. Today's one of those days. And I always had the hardest time walking away when the market is moving a lot. Like when the market is moving quite a bit, that's always the hardest for me because you look at the chart and you're like, oh wow, I could have made so much money for this one and this one. And we all know it's not, that's not exactly true. Yes, you can make a lot of money, but we seem to always conveniently forget that with that we can also lose a lot of money. Hey, okay, here we go. Let's see if we make those new lows. Let's see if we make new lows. All right, market. We got to make new lows here. Come on. Man, if this thing rips right back up, Unbelievable. Look at and we go right back up. Ugh. This market is something special today. This is, I don't know, guys. We're just gonna wait. I'm not doing it. I am not gonna get suckered in. So right now I'm deep breathing exercises is what we need. Full port long, grizzly trader, really? Give the people what they want. You think long here's, I mean, the only thing for the longs right now that kind of, I guess, I mean, the fact that we haven't made new lows is the only viable reason to consider going long. We haven't even tested the 5-minute 21 EMA yet. But I can't, I'm not taking a short either, even though I want to. Right here is where I would be so tempted to take a short. We did, like, I don't know. I could talk myself into a short here very quickly. But I said I'm not doing it until we make new lows, and I'm sticking to it. I am sticking to it. No FOMO allowed. Patience, exactly. We just have to be patient. It sucks. Oh, look at that. Please rip high. If this rips back above the 520s, I'm going to feel so good that I was patient. Because right here, it would have failed me. If I would have entered this, I would be in this trade for sure. 100%. And my stop loss would be right here at the 518s. Please get through the 518s. I'm going to feel so much better about it. Please. It's almost going to feel like a winning trade. Do it. Do it. Let's go. Let's go. That feels like a winning trade. It feels like a winning trade. Because we were patient. We would have gotten stopped out there if I was actually really, really close. I was really close to pulling the trigger short. I could have justified it, even though I said we wouldn't. I mean, technically, we don't want to. I wanted to wait till we make new lows, so we listened. Now we wait. Is this gonna keep going? Oh wow, look at that dump. Oh gee. You're long at 523. Hey, good luck, Captain Crunch. This market is not a fun time right now. Right now, this is so choppy. It is hard to trade this. Every breakout ends up being a fake out, both directions. Like, if you were waiting for a breakdown through the 460s, it was a fake out. Now it looks like we're getting a fake out. We broke above the 520s. Now it's, I don't know. It's very fakey. We got better odds with Baccarat. Yes. Doesn't Baccarat have like the best odds? Can you share what is your overnight strategy? Cuban Coffee Trader, since I'm doing the 30 trade challenge now, that's the same. I don't trade any different in the overnight. I used to, like, my overnight, I used to trade a lot more in the overnight than I do currently. But with this 30 trade challenge, I did take an overnight trade yesterday, but it's basically the exact same setup. I'm just looking for basically the same strategy. All right, market, are we going to make new lows? Are you going to do it? Now I would be even more upset because I would have gotten stopped out and then it would have gone right back down. I'd be mad right now, like super mad. I go with bigger size. Cuban Coffee Trader, yes. Okay, on these accounts, these are evals, and yes, I'm trading 3 minis. I'm trading 3 minis on these accounts because they're evals. But I'm trading the same. It's actually the first time. I'm pretty sure, like, this is the first time that I trade evals the same way that I'm trading my funded accounts, but just bigger size. I don't know why I haven't done this before. Like, honestly, kind of stupid that I haven't done this for a while. Yeah, I don't know why, but usually when I trade evals, I take a lot more just kind of random trades, and doesn't usually work out the greatest. All right, time to pay attention. Can we make new lows? Come on, market. Come on. Hey, no problem, Cuban Coffee Trader. Just walk away. Tomorrow's a new day. I mean, I think actually we might get a really nice setup here, but I'm okay. I want to wait. I'm going to wait, and if we make new lows, I will take it short. I'm totally okay. If we make new lows, we get a good entry, I'm going to take the trade. If it's a loss, I'm okay with it. I'm totally okay with it. Right now, if I don't follow that plan and I jump in short before we make new lows and then I get stopped out, then I'm going to be upset because I didn't follow my plan. Hey, Silver Blade, thanks for the sub. I appreciate it. I'm not saying go long, but I don't think it will go lower. I mean, the longer that this doesn't, it is kind of crazy that we haven't made new lows. Now right here, we might do it, fellas, right here. Can we make new lows? Oh, there she goes. Now, please keep going. Don't just wick here. I want to see actual new lows. There she goes. All right, 420s have officially been taken out. 410s. We're about to test the 400s. All right, now we can take a setup if we get it. You know what would really suck? if this market just goes from here all straight down to the 200s. I'm going to be upset. I'm actually going to be upset if that happens. Oh man. All right, market. Now, please come back up and then let me get in and then let's ride this thing to the 200s. I'd be totally down with that today. Hey, Deb, finally got the sweep down below the 400s. Now let's just see what happens. This is where we gotta be very, gotta wait. Gotta wait till the actual, gotta wait till we get an actual setup here. Whew. Today's one of them days. 24 380s now. Man, are we really just gonna dump now? You said NQ was going to 365. It might be very well, could very well be. Yep, the 399s, Mr. Wall Street. Yep. Now, let's see if we get a bounce. I would love to get a nice bounce and then just, I want to get in one of those trades where my sell stop order gets triggered and it's just a straight red candle down where we don't even sweat. Like we get first target filled almost immediately. Those are like the best kind of trades. When you don't even see any red on your chart. It's just immediately boom, boom. October 10 low, yes. We are right at, we've kind of, if we look at the 60-minute chart, we are now basically swept the lows from here. I mean, we've got the 200s down here. This is the next area now. But anything can happen. Yeah, 10-second trades where it hits your full target like boom, boom. Oh, that's the best. Yeah, those are good times. All right. Getting back up to the 420s. Come on, market. Get back up there. Mm. Five-minute chart does take out some of the noise. Yeah, probably a little bit. This is the biggest pullback since the rip in April. Yeah, very, very true. Like if we look at the daily chart, this is a significant pullback, especially with like this is just where like this is a significant pullback for the market, I feel like. All right, hang on, guys. I'm just testing something. All right. Test complete. Quant guard lockout feature, everything seems to be working great. Whoa, look at this. Oh, we better pay attention, fellas. Pay attention. All right, we are, oh my word, this looks insane. I'm gonna need to change this default. All right, now we wait. See if we get a setup. See if we can get a setup here. Now, this is where this is not where my entry will be. I'm just kind of getting ready. I'll move it to where it needs to be then when it's ready. But this candle here needs to close. Wow, is this really just going to rip straight up now? Man, this is crazy. 100 points, 100 points now, right back up. It's crazy. My only I'm taking this setup if we get it. I committed to it. We're taking it. But we need to consolidate here a little bit. Man, we might not get a setup here. This is crazy. Just going straight up now. I'm going to have to go down to one contract. Actually insane. I mean, right here would be my entry. I want to test something. Unbelievable. I mean, if this candle closes green, then we got to wait for a setup, maybe on the 21, maybe on the 5-minute. But this is not looking like we're even going to get a setup. It's not even going to trigger. Wow. That's crazy, man. This is so insane. This is insanity. I mean, that's almost 200 points now. 200 points, just straight up. Like, literally straight up. All right, I guess we wait. If we get a setup on the 5-minute 21, we will take it. I really hope it's a small stop loss. Right now, my entry would be right here, which means my stop would be here. Hold it. All right, we might get hit here. Wow. Well, if this closes green, we don't. I give up. Doesn't look like we're going to get a setup. All right, market, I give up. I give up. It's crazy. Hey, nicely done, Wall Street. Nicely done. Nicely done. Oh. Oh, dear. I mean, I didn't think we'd get another setup here, but I guess here we are. Here we are. I don't know. We gotta, I mean, it's a setup. We gotta take it. Do I like it? Not exactly crazy about this setup. Not exactly crazy about it. Oh. Ah, come on. Come on, market. Just dump it. Just dump it. Come on, you can do it. I need one of them big red candles. I need to go on a walk. I'll be right back. And we're back. Okay. Yeah. What I figured. All right. I guess that's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. All right, let's screenshot this one. I mean, I'm not we followed our plan and we just got stopped out. I can handle that. I can handle that. This was a very typical trap. And I'm very curious. Are we going to retest the 650s maybe? All right, market continuing to creep higher. Be interest. I mean, all right. Okay. Man, that's crazy. We almost had a 60-point stop loss. That is crazy. Man, look at that. We're just ripping now. It's interesting, kind of at a double top up here, the 600s. Will we just rip right through it? Looks like we will. Check out where the low was at around 8 this morning. I think they test that. Oh, you mean right here at the 660s? Yeah, right now I think like the target up here, the 650s, makes a lot of sense. We got VWAP here, the 15-minute opening range low. Definitely feel like that's a might be a magnet. But isn't that crazy? I mean, we went from those 370s all the way back up to the 600s in literally 2, 4, 6, 8, about 15 minutes. All right, that is trade number 33, full stop loss. Yeah, I hate to see it, but it is what it is. Internet outage was a Cloudflare bug. They say they fixed it, but hasn't helped the Apex site much. Oh, really? Huh. All right, here we go. About to test the 650s here. All right, let's see. We are just going straight up here, folks. Unbelievable. What a crazy. That's crazy. Hey, this always makes me feel like I don't mind getting stopped out when the market does this. I'm like, yo, let's go. That was a great stop. Okay, testing the 650s. Testing the 650s now. We are just continuing to rip higher. That's what a move. What a crazy move. Went to Green Day to almost blowing up my account. I need a break. Orlando, I feel you, man. The way this market is moving, just got to be careful. Trade to stay in the game. Just gotta protect your capital. Just nothing is slowing this thing down. We rip right through the 650s. Let's go, user. Let's go. Nicely done. VIX just broke 24, but still can move. Yeah, wow. Wouldn't be surprised if all this volatility was a result of Cloudflare problems. Really? Just from Cloudflare? That's crazy. All right, we are. What do I do now? What do I do now? I mean, I might walk away for the day, to be honest. I might walk away for the day. Again, I feel like the overnight session presented way better price action than this morning. Like, overnight session was way cleaner price action than we had this morning. Don't leave us. I'm a I might lock out. I might lock out just but just I have a hard time believing sometimes. I have a hard time believing we have this strong of a move and now all of a sudden we just go higher. Like, really? For reals? For real, for real. Just seems a little off. Everything in life and the market has beginnings and endings. That is true. That is very true, Mr. Wall Street. I always have I have an easier time processing and accepting like these V-shaped reversal moves when we attempt to make new lows and fail, then we go higher. Like that I can process and it makes sense in my head. When we just do these like, but this here is now looking like it was this move here was just to trap the shorts. That's all it was. Trap the shorts, and now we're just ripping it higher. I don't know. I don't know what to make of it, but all I know is I don't know. Right now, it looks like we're going to get a long setup before we, at least the next setup is probably going to be a long trade. It's crazy. Once the market hits its destination, it reverses. The trick is you can find those. Yeah, exactly. 35% of the Cowboys games are wins. That's funny, Captain Crunch. What? Tradeify? Just got this information email. You guys probably saw this email too. The advanced plan will be retired from new purchases on the 21st. Your advanced accounts remain fully active. Nothing changes. I wonder, so the advanced accounts, hang on. Man, we really just gonna keep. Damn, I told you all it was gonna go lower. Yeah, exactly. Trades by Neo. That's basically the information I got was Tradeify is discontinuing the advanced accounts because no one buys them. Why? I mean, I don't see a reason like it just never made sense with the price. I don't know. It's just not, I don't know. And there we go, right back up. Right back up. Yeah, exactly. It's people don't want, yeah. It's a wild look at this. I mean, we've got a ways to go on the daily chart for this to really turn bullish. For this really to turn bullish, we need to get above the 25,000s. We could easily see this roll back over again at some point today. My short is failing in a big way. Oh, I never know. Now we're starting to see some red here on the chart. Hold on. Right back down, testing the VWAP now. This is, let's see if this VWAP bounce happens. Feel like if we lose the 628s here, we could see this thing pull back a little bit more. We obviously won't have a trade. We really need to get, like, almost need to get back above the 750s before we have a long entry, I feel like. Hey, there's the VWAP bounce. Special guest, if you are closing your short here, I don't know what you are doing. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. If we get down below the 620, 630s here, who knows? Who knows? See what happens. This thing could just dump. We could go higher or we could go lower, guys. I'm serious. Great insight. Great market insight right there. You won't get that for free. You won't get that for free many places. A Cloudflare server in Dallas? Oh, come on. Look at that bounce right back up. Woo. You forgot one way we could go. We could go higher, lower, and we could chop. True, true. That's true, G. Brooks. Very true. Didn't you promise a giveaway today? The hoodie trader. Yes. I'm glad someone was paying attention. We are going to do a take profit trader giveaway. Yes. Not yet. Yeah, not yet. Not yet. Just calm down, everybody. Let's do another rig duck race. Sounds like a good time to me. Sounds like a great time to me. What? Oh, there we go. We are going to. Hang on, I got to send an email first. Sorry, guys. Give me just a minute. I need to take care of something. All right, guys. I'm almost done. Okay. Oh, wow. Market getting volatile again. Man, I am getting very warm in here. Okay, guys, we are going to do a giveaway. Duck race, exclamation mark, NBT. Exclamation mark, NBT will get you in. Will get you in the race. We're going to do 350K take profit trader accounts. 350K take profit trader accounts to first, second, and third place finishers in the duck race. Good luck, everybody. Exclamation mark NBT. I will be right back. And we're back. Starting to look like we're rolling over again. Starting to almost definitely looks a little bit sus here for the longs. Wow, look at that. Right back up. Exclamation mark NBT. We're doing 350K take profit trader accounts. Oh, so far we are holding. The 620s are holding right now. Hmm. Need to play David Coggins, not Ben and Rose, if we want those accounts green. John Q. Who's David Coggins? I might have to look that up. Coggins. Did you already trade on market open? No, I took one trade so far today, right here. We got trapped. We got trapped. This is a very typical trap. One, if the market starts doing these kind of setups, the traps, it's not going to be a good time for me. It's not going to be a good time for me. But hey, we'll take our L. We'll take our red day. It's fine. Got to take the red with the green. Hey, Paul D. You're welcome, Paul. Sorry about all that. That's weird. No problem, Paul. Okay, the giveaway. That is it for the giveaway. Let's pick the names, folks. Hang on. All right, guys, are we ready? Let's start picking some names, fellas. All right, we're gonna pick 15 names and then have a duck race. The top 3 will be getting a 50K Take Profit Trader account. That also includes a $130 activation fee credit as well. All right, here we go. First name, Wixie Gaming. Wixie Gaming, let's go. Good luck. Next name's gonna be Vicious K7. Vicious K7. Next name, oh! No way! John! John, you got picked! John, are you in here? Please tell me John is here. No way! John got picked. How long have I been doing giveaways, John? How long? I've been doing giveaways for 2 years, maybe not that long. And this is the first time John is actually picked. Wow, let's go, John. All right, here we go. Next name, What happened? Oh dear, please help me now. What? Oh, please, please, let's not have a... What just happened? What? Oh, what happened? That must be Cloudflare. Oh, that's gotta... Oh, no way. You have got to be kidding me. Oh, we are now in a serious dilemma, fellas. It accidentally just closed the giveaway. Sorry, John. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I kid. But what do we do? Can we reopen this giveaway? I mean, what are the odds? What are the actual odds of that happening? Unbelievable. I can't I'm not sure what to do. Oh, okay. I think what we're gonna do, we are going to open the giveaway again. We're gonna open the giveaway again for 5 minutes. Exclamation mark NBT. The 3 names that already are picked are staying in. Wixie Gaming, Vicious, K7, and John, you are in the duck race. So this is just to get your name back in. I don't know what happened. I really don't. I have no idea. I don't know what happened. I no comment. I have no comment on the matter. Of course, it had to happen when John is finally put into the duck race. Go figure. Go figure. But you're still in the duck race, John. Don't fret. Don't freak out. That was so crazy. I mean, I was trying to think, did I accidentally hit the wrong button? I don't think I did. I don't think so. Oh man, that was unfortunate. Hey, Yash Trades Futures, good morning. It's almost afternoon. Mm. All right, got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, fellas. Exclamation mark NBT to try to do the duck race. Hopefully it doesn't crash again. If it crashes again, not sure what we do. I'm not sure. Coach Captain Crunch, am I in? Pretty Coach Captain Crunch. Let's. There's so many names. Sometimes I have to refresh. There we go. I don't think you're in, Coach Captain Crunch. I don't think you're in. Try again. All right, 10 seconds. Your name wasn't showed as entered either, Timbo. Okay, I'll check. Yeah, Timbo, you're here. Coach Captain Crunch, you're in. You're good. All right, that is it. We have a very similar to the same amount of tickets that we had before, so I think we're good. I think we are ready. Let's go ahead and select the remaining. We need to select the remaining 12 names. All right, is everybody ready? Let's hope this works this time. Mr. Wall Street, are you in? Yes, you are in. Sorry, I can't check for everyone, but you should. Everybody should be in. You should be in. All right, here we go. And the next name to be picked is Jar Cody. Jar Cody. Congratulations and good luck. All right, here we go. Next name's gonna be Shisu. Shisu. I don't know. I think that's the right pronunciation. Next name, Jack Boom. Jack Boom. Good luck, sir. Next name, Omar Polino. Omar Polino. Good luck. Next name, Worlds Away Nomads. Worlds Away Nomads. Good luck to you. Next name, Benjamin. Hey, Benjamin is in. Benjamin Laway. Law. You know what? You're going to be Benjamin. I'm good. Next name, Joe Crypto. Joe Crypto 6894. Good luck. Next name is, hey, Next Trade Lou. Next Trade Lou. Next name, Daz. Daz 007 is in. Good luck to you, sir. Next is Rodrigo Manerdo. Rodrigo, good luck to you. All right, we need two more names. Okay, here we go. Two more. Brian. Brian Luna. Brian Luna, good luck. All right, last name for the duck race. Good luck. It is Mara James 1999. All right, fellas, we have our duck race contestants. Everybody set. Okay, here we go. Let me make sure I've got everything down pat. All the I's are dotted, the T's are crossed. Make sure this is legitimate. We do not want any, don't want anything okay. All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. You can see this is the names. These are the names. We've got Wixie Gaming, Vicious K7, and John from the first selection, and then it crashed. But the rest of these names, everything should be good to go. All right, is everybody ready? John, are you in here, John? Please tell me John is here. He needs to see this. I don't want any accusation of this needs to be on the up and up. It's John here. My money is on John. Come on, John, are you here? We need to verify that John is here. John is sending his bribe. Yeah, John, I hope John wins. I really do. But obviously, these duck races are legitimate and not rigged, so I have no say in the outcome. Come on, it's John. I'm not starting this race until I confirm that John is here. I am not starting this race until John is here. I want him. Hey, there's John. Okay, John is here. Let's go. All right, let's do this. All right, this might be the most pressure set race year to date. We are going to, again, according to the FAA regulations for the duck race, we are required to shuffle the characters one time. Here we go. Characters have been shuffled. Are we ready? And here we go. The ducks are off, folks. The ducks are off. And here we go. We've got Joe Crypto taking the early lead. We've got No Worlds Away Nomads in second place. Wixie Gaming, Next Trade Lou, and Vicious K7 take the lead early. Now, what everybody wants to know, John Walkowick is at the bottom of your screen. That is the favorite, fan favorite duck. The bottom of your screen. Can he do it? Can he do it? He's got to maintain his energy. Right now, we've got Joey Crypto taking the early lead. Wixie Gaming is making a move, trying to overtake him. We've got Vicious K7 at the top of your screen. Next Trade Lou. Oh, here comes John. John is making the move. Is it too early? John, Mara James making a move into the front of the pack. Daz 007 also in the front of the pack. Mara James 1999 has officially taken the lead. With a full-length lead, Vicious K7, Next Trade Lou. John is falling back. John hopefully has a strategy here. We need some more energy. John falling further back. We've got 25 seconds. John, now's the time. Come on. Benjamin now takes the lead. Mara James. Benjamin now takes a commanding lead with 15 seconds. Jack Boom. There comes Shizu. John at the bottom of your screen. Here he goes. Here comes John. Does he have it in him? Nope. Joey Crypto now takes the move. Here comes John. Is it going to be enough? Oh, is it going to be enough? I think John pulled ahead. I think John is in third place. I think he's in third place. Oh, man. Oh, I think John pulled it out in the end. Let's go. Now, everybody hold on. These results are currently, we need to send them in. We need to send this full video to the FCC. Make sure everything is under compliance. Everything needs to be audited. Such a high stakes race. Everything needs to be on the up and up. And here we go. The results are official. Here we go. And there you go. It is official. John takes home third place. Let's go. Let's go, John. John with third place. Shizu in second place. And Joe Crypto in first place. Let's go. That was well deserved. I love it. I love it. Oh, man. Let's go, John. Finally, after many years of not even making it in the duck race, He makes it in and secures the victory. Oh, you love to see it. You love to see it. All right, I am going to let me send you the information on how to enter. All right, oh, you love to see it. Okay, there you go, guys. Please send me a screenshot of your YouTube channel and make sure you include your Take Profit Trader email. Make sure to include your Take Profit Trader email, and we will get the 50K account credit and also your activation credit as well. You're welcome, John. Let's go. I would have been sad if you would not have come in. You paced yourself. You played the duck. You played it right. Very impressed. Very impressive. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, I am. All right, that's awesome. Yeah, send me that, and I will get you guys your accounts. John's duck has 3 legs. The most meaningful race yet. Agreed. You paced yourself just right, and right at the end, you started pulling ahead. Whew, it was close, though. It was close. But hey, you got it done. You got her done, man. I love it. I love it. That was awesome. All right. In the meantime, I think I'm going to call it a day. We're going to accept our red day right now. I mean, this is just not looking like we're going to get much of a setup anyway. This market is not my ideal market conditions. I'm not upset about taking the trade. It is what it is. So we are going to call it a stream, and we are going to be back tomorrow. So hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. Again, congrats to the duck race winners, John especially. Love to see it. Finally. Oh, man. All right, everybody, take care. Appreciate all you guys. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. Take care, and God bless.